Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Teacher Director. In this video, we are going to discuss about the 11th chapter in 8th class mathematics, especially 11.3. Okay, up to 11.2 we completed. Go through the playlist. You can check it out. Now we are going to dealing with 11.3 in 8th class mathematics, mensuration. The question is, there are two cubical boxes as shown in the adjoining figures. Which box requires the lesser amount of material to make it? Okay, they given two cubical boxes. This is cuboid. This is cube. In cube, all sides are equal. Length, breadth as well as height are equal. It is called as a cube. In cuboid, length is different, or height is different, or breadth is different, whatever it is. In three measures, length, breadth, height, in out of these three, if all are L equal to B equal to H, if length is equals to breadth is equals to height, three measurements are equal, then it is called as a cube. Where it comes to the cuboid, all the measurements are different. Sometimes L may be different, sometimes breadth may be different, sometimes height may be different. In some cases, three are different. Okay, now they are asking which box requires the lesser amount of material to make it. Out of these two boxes, which box is take lesser amount of material to make these boxes? Okay, now we have to calculate the volume. Why? Because volume, for example, consider this is a bottle and this is another bottle. They are asking which bottle requires less amount to make it, or which box holds water, which box hold how much of water. Okay, which box hold big amount of water in it. So we have to consider volume of the material contained in it. Now we have to calculate volume of these two boxes. This is cuboid. Cuboid has length, breadth as well as height. Given the length of the cuboid is 60 centimeters and the breadth of the cuboid is 50 centimeters and height of the cuboid is 50 centimeters. These all are the length, breadth, height of the first box A. First box A. And the second box, this is B. Now coming to the second box B, the length is equals to, breadth is equals to, height is equals to 50 centimeters. All these are three. That's why it is called as a cube. Now we have to calculate volume of the cuboid as well as volume of the cube. Volume of cuboid is is L into B into H. Length is equals to 60, height is equals to 50, breadth is equals to 50. All are equal, length into breadth into height. Okay, here volume of cube. Volume of cube, we have the formula for volume of cube, L into B into H, as well as here L equal to B equal to H. Therefore, say it as a constant A, which is A cube. A stands for here 50. 50 whole cube. Okay, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. 3 zeros are there, 125 000 centimeter cube is the volume of B. Now this one, 6 5s are 30, 35s are 150. 4 zeros, centimeters cube. Out of these two, which one is greater one? A is greater one. This is 1,50,000. This is 1,25,000 centimeter cube. Out of these two, which volume is greater than? A is greater the volume in the case of B. A is greater than B. But they are asking which box requires lesser amount. Lesser amount means this take much more amount when compared to B. Therefore, B takes lesser amount to make the cube. Okay, thank you. Next question. The suitcase with measures 80 centimeters, 48 centimeters as well as 24 centimeters is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeters is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Okay. Here they given a suitcase. Actually, suitcase is in the form of a cuboid, right? Suitcase is in the form of cuboid. Length is different than breadth is different than height. This is a suitcase. Now, the measurements of this suitcase are length is 80 centimeters as well as breadth is 48 centimeters and height is 24 centimeters. These all are the three measurements of the given suitcase. Now, is the suitcase with measures is to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. Now we have to cover this suitcase a tarpaulin cloth. For example, this is a suitcase like this. This is a cuboid, not a cuboid. Some spherical part is there. Okay. This is our example. This is a suitcase. Now we have to cover this suitcase with a tarpaulin cloth. When we are going to cover this suitcase, we have to cover both sides. All the surface of this suitcase can be covered with a cloth. We have to cover this total surface with a cloth. Top, bottom, and as well as sides, front and back, as well as left and right. We have to cover all the surfaces. Why? Because I have to calculate total surface area of this suitcase. Total surface should be covered with a cloth. They are asking covered with a tarpaulin cloth. Now we have to calculate total surface area. TSA stands for total surface area of suitcase. Total surface area of suitcase. It is in the form of a cuboid. Total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, 2 into L stands for length into breadth. When this notation is given, this is L, this is B, this is H. L, B, H. Okay. L stands for 80 into B stands for 48 plus again BH 48 into 24 plus HL stands for 24 into 80. On multiplication we will get 2 into 80 into 48. What is 80 into 48? We have to calculate here. 8 8s are 64. 6 carry 8 4s are 32 plus 6 38. 3840 plus 48 into 24 we have to multiply. 48 into 24. 4 8s are 32. 4 4s are 16 plus 3 19. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9. 2 15 11. 1 1 5 2 plus 24 8s. 24 80s. 2 8s are 32. 4 8s are 32. 4 8 2s are 16 plus 3 19. 1920. 1920. On adding we will get 3840 1152 1920. On adding we will get 2 9 plus 2 11. 10 plus 9 19. 5 5912. Therefore 2 into 5912. Okay, into 2. On multiplying with 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18 plus 1, 2 5s are 10 plus 1 19. 2 5s are 10 plus 1. Therefore, the area is required 11824 centimeter square. This is the total surface area of the suitcase. Total surface area of this suitcase. Now we have to cover the given already. They given what they given 0 0. Okay, what they given? The width of the required tarpaulin cloth is 96 centimeters. We have to find out the length. Already they given. They covered with some cloth. The area of the given area of the required cloth is this. Area of the required cloth is 11,824 centimeter square. Similarly, the width of the cloth is 96 centimeters. For example, this is the required cloth. We calculated the area. Cloth is in the shape of rectangular. We calculated the area. They given in the problem the width or breadth. We have to calculate length here. Okay. Area of tarpaulin cloth. Area of tarpaulin cloth. Area of tarpaulin cloth is 11824 centimeter square. Area of tarpaulin cloth is in the form of rectangle. Therefore, L into B is 11824. The given width of the cloth is 96. Width of the cloth is 96 is equals to 11824. On cancellation, we will get length of the tarpaulin cloth. This can be cancelled with 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 4 2s are 8, 3 carry, 4 9s are 36, 2 carry, 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 6 are 64 or 24. Next, again translation with 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24, 5 carry, 4 7s are 28, 1 carry, 4 3s are 12, 3 carry, 4 9s are 36. On cancellation, we will get 12 plus 9. Therefore, L equals to L into 6 equals to 739. Therefore, L equals to 739 by 6. It can be cancelled with the third table, 12 plus 9. Okay, this is the length of the required cloth. They given how much covered, how much required with 100 suitcase, right? This is the area of single suitcase. Now we have to calculate 100 for 100 suitcase. It will be 100 into 11824 centimeter square into 100. Into 100 we forget. Into 100. Okay, into 100. Into 100. Into 100. Into 100. This can be calculated by 2 3s are 6. 250s. Okay. Now the area this is represented by L equals to, this is the required answer. Okay, thank you. Next question. Find the side of the cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. A small correction in the previous problem. We have calculation part mistaken. You have to find out and comment in the comment section. Okay. At least we will get 144 centimeters. Length is 144. Okay. There is a mistake in the calculation part. Why? Because this is the recording video. Next one. Find the side of the cube whose surface area is 600 centimeter square. In cube, all sides are equal. All sides are equal. For a cuboid, we have the surface area. Surface area is, for a cube, we have 600 centimeter square. The surface area, total surface area is 6a square. 6a square is the surface area of the cube. Total surface area of cube. Total surface area of cube is 600 centimeter square. They given. Actually the formula of total surface area of cube is 6a square equals to 600. Okay, on cancellation we get 600s are 600. Therefore, a square equals to 100 we have. Now we have to calculate side of the cube. A is side of the cube. A equals to square of the root of. Therefore, A equals to root 100 stands for 10 centimeters. This is the required answer. Thank you. Next question. Ruxar painted the outside of the cabinet of measure 1 meter, 2 meter into 1.5 meter. How much surface area did she cover? If she painted all except the bottom of the cabinet. Now we have to calculate it here. It is a cuboid. A cabinet is in the form of, in the diagram we have a cuboid like this. This is a cuboid. Rooks of measurements: length 1 meter as well as breadth 2 meters. Height is 1.5 meters. Okay, height is 1.5 meters. How much surface area did she cover with if she painted all the cabinet except the bottom? Except the bottom. This is a cuboid where when we are going to paint all the surfaces, we have to calculate total surface area of the cuboid. Total surface area means top, bottom, front and back as well as left and right sides. Okay, the total surface, the given lengths are: length of the cabinet L equals to 1 meters as well as breadth equals to 2 meter as well as height equals to 1.5 meters. These are the length, breadth, height of the cabinet which is in the form of cuboid. Now we are going to calculate the total surface area. Total surface area of cuboid cabinet. Total surface area of cuboid is 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Okay, 2 into LB plus BH plus HL. Why? Because 2 into L stands for 1 into B, 1 into 2, plus BH stands for 2 into 1.5, 2 into 1.5, plus HL stands for 1 into 1.5, 1 into 1.5. Now multiplying you will get 1 2s are 2 plus 2 into 1.5 3, 1 into 1.5 1.5. Therefore 2 into 5 6.5. This is the answer. Okay, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 12.0. This is 12 centimeter square is the total surface area of the this cuboid. Total surface area of this cuboid. When Richter is going to paint this total cuboid, when Richter is going to paint total cuboid except the bottom, except the bottom is in the form of bottom is in the form of rectangle. Now we have to subtract except the bottom, bottom is in the form of rectangle. Now we have to subtract area of bottom from the total surface area. Why? Because except the bottom we have to paint, area of the bottom, we have to calculate area of the bottom is L into B. L stands for 1, B stands for 2. Therefore 2 meter square is the area of the bottom. 2 meter square is the area of the bottom. Now we have to subtract area of the bottom from this total surface area. Therefore 12 minus 2 equals to 10 centimeter square area we have to cover, we have to paint. Okay, in this also you have a mistake in the calculation. You have to find out and tell me in the comment section. Thank you. And next question, Daniel is painting the walls and laying of a cuboid of all length, breadth and height as well as 15 meters, 10 meters, 7 meters respectively. From each can of paint 100 meter square per area is painted, we have to calculate how much cans should we require. Okay, there is a cuboid is in the form cuboid, this is not a cube, this is a cuboid which length is 15 meters, breadth is 10 meters, height is 7 meters. This is the cuboid. Now we have to paint. This is a room, cubical room. Cuboid in the form, a room is in the form of cuboid. We have to paint the 4 walls. We have to paint the 4 walls. Length of the cuboidal room is 15 meters and breadth is 10 meters and the height is 7 meters. We have to paint 4 walls first. First we have to paint the 4 walls. The area of the 4 walls in a room, the area of 4 walls of a room is given by 2h into L plus B. These are the formulas in the list. 2 into H stands for 7, L stands for 15 plus B stands for 10. 2 sevens are 14 into 150. What is 14? 14 into 25. 25 14s. What is the 25 14s? 25 tens are 250, 25 fours are 100, which is 350. 350 meters square is the area of 4 walls we have to paint. Now in the room we are going to paint ceiling also. Ceiling is in the form of rectangle. Now we have to calculate area of the ceiling. Area of the ceiling is in the form of rectangle, which means L into B. L stands for 15, breadth stands for 10, which is 150. Now we have to calculate area of the total room, which area we are going to paint. We are not going to paint on the bottom. Okay, we are going to paint on the ceiling and the 4 walls. Therefore, we calculated area of the 4 walls and as well as area of the ceiling. Therefore, the total area of the room we are going to paint is 350 area of the 4 walls plus area of the ceiling 150, which is 500 meters square is the area of the total room we are going to paint. Now they given each can will paint 100 meter square area. Each can will paint 100 meter square area. Now we have 500 meter square area. Okay, therefore the cans, each can will paint 100 meter square area. Each can will paint 100 meter square area. Therefore, the required cans to paint 500 meter square area is given by 500 meter square by 100. Therefore, 2 zeros cancel. We get required 5 cans. Okay, thank you.